Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Cannon again. I am going over your science for Wednesday, March 25th, which is also day 8 of digital learning. All right. We are going to read through this real quick. There's no vocabulary to review, so I'm just going to read through it, and then I will talk to you about how you find the questions, or the answers to the questions. All right. A wheel and axle helps you do work by changing a push or a pull into a force that rotates or spins. With wheelbarrows, it's much easier to push a load rolling on a wheel than to drag the load along the ground. A wheel and axle also creates mechanical advantage. When the axle rotates, the wheel moves a greater distance than the axle does. For example, when you ride a bike, your foot turns the pedal, which is connected to the axle. The wheel moves more than your foot does. So you contribute less force to move a greater distance than you would move if you had walked. All right, the first questions we have, it says draw arrows pointing to the wheel and axle in each illustration. All right, we all know what the wheel is. The axle is what the wheel rotates around. So when you're drawing your pictures, draw an arrow pointing at the wheel and then the thing that it is actually rotating around. All right. B section, write true or false. A wheel and axle can create mechanical advantage. I know I just found that in the passage, so when you're doing B, you're going to look in this paragraph. It's a little help if you need it. All right, and then C, in each example below, tell whether the force applied is directed to the wheel or the axle. Okay, so I want you to think about these. I think the first paragraph should help you with C. Just these really you need to think through these questions. Okay, so you'll either write wheel or axle, determinant on which one the force was applied to. All right, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Do the best you can, and I will talk to you tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye.